Hi, everybody. It's TG. Welcome. Hi. With another coronavirus survival tip. As some of you probably experienced, this product is very hard to come by right now or being sold for outrageously, ridiculously expensive. Okay. Gougers are going crazy with this stuff. Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed some photographs of Asian children and people making masks out of orange halves. Actually, that's not such a crazy idea because guess what? Lemon juice and orange juice, i.e., citric acid, has been proven to kill coronavirus on contact very effectively. Now, again, I wouldn't be injecting injecting citric acid into my body. However, as a surface agent for either cleaning surfaces, tabletops, doorknobs, etc., uh, something like citric acid or lemon juice wouldn't be the worst thing to be using. Also, cleaning hands, cleaning gloves, okay, cleaning your gloves, okay. Uh, and basically, so what I decided to do, all right, was to make my own hand sanitizer. And what I read up on was a 20% solution of lemon juice. Here we go. There you go. Lemon juice and 20% alcohol. All right. In here. And then what I added was some lanolin because let's face it, alcohol and lemon juice is not exactly the best thing for lovely, soft, ladylike hands. Okay. However, if you add a little lanolin or glycerin or aloe, and I've also added some, nice smelling stuff like orange essential oil. I also added, here we go, some lemon essential oil, whatever you want to make it smell nice. Okay. Nag champa. Okay. And I've made a really effective homemade hand sanitizer. 20% alcohol, 20% lemon juice, or if you can buy citric acid, you can buy citric acid in powder form, by the way, okay, on Amazon. So that's another way to do it. All right. It makes, and then the rest is, water, distilled water, bottled water, whatever you want to do. Okay, makes a great hand sanitizer. Now, also, if you can find a spritzer bottle, there's a nice little spritzer bottle. Okay, that also is good. Now, something else. If you don't add, again, it's important. If you make a solution with your spritzer of 20% alcohol, 20% lemon juice, and the balance in just water, but don't add any oil, you can use that to disinfect your mask at the end of the day. You can use it to wipe down your mask or your face shield, okay, at the end of the day. Great tip. There you go. And again, use your hand sanitizer often. Use your spritzer often, okay? There you go. There's my little coronavirus homemade do-it-yourself survival tip for today. Namaste. Blessings. I love you.